Beautiful, right? Got this new pole saw, I guess we call it, pole chainsaw. If I can get it open here. There we go. All right. So here's a contraption. I'm going to get this all put together, and we're going to fire it up, give it a try. Stick with me. Okay, here we go. We got it put together here. Now, of course, it comes with the chain guard. It's a good thing. Safety feature. An Allen wrench. And a multi-size wrench. This one fits on here to tighten the sprocket cover. And comes with a screwdriver, and that will adjust your chain tension. So I've got that all done. It's looking good. Put some oil on it. Attach it to my battery-powered motor unit, and we'll see how it does. Okay, here we are now. Got the tank filled up with oil, and this is the Ryobi expanded attachment system. It's 40-volt system, and we're going to insert this into it. The ball catch there, I don't know what the proper term for it is, but and then this cranks down on it, secures it, and there we go. So let's go find a tree and do some damage. Okay, so this one here hits me in the head when I'm on the lawnmower, so we're going to get rid of it. Beautiful, right? See what else we got. Might not like on here. I don't know how much of that you could see, but it does a number on it. Okay, I've got this weeping cherry tree, and it's weeping all over the house. Let's see if I can cut it from down here without getting up on the roof there. No, it's not quite long enough, although I do have an extension for this expanded system. I'm not going to put that on right now. I'll just climb up there on the balcony, and we'll take care of that. But anyway, I like it so far. It's doing a nice, quick job for me. Hey, thanks. Bye now.